Basics of weed management principles and methods. Weed management principles mainly focus on biology of the weeds, that is, understanding the life cycles, growth, classes, and how they spread. Secondly, they should focus on critical crop weed competition, soil types, and analyzing climate and cropping systems and the weed pressure present in that particular area. And thirdly, they should focus on human element, that is community-wide approach that includes integrated weed management strategies and cost-based benefit analysis and socio-economic condition of the farmer and follow-up weed management strategies or preventive measures. Concept of weed control includes prevention, eradication, control, and management. Prevention means you are not allowing new seeds to enter into your area. Means you're stopping before entry itself. Always remember, prevention is better than cure. Eradication means complete destruction of weed seeds and weeds present in your area. Control means once the weeds have arisen in your field or established in your field, you're trying to reduce them below threshold level, or you're trying to curb them by using different techniques like cultural methods, mechanical methods, biological methods, and chemical methods, and making them below threshold level so that your crop yield cannot be hampered. Management includes all these three techniques: prevention, eradication, control. Simply, management means control plus, means you are using all those techniques to reduce the weeds below threshold level and to not to reduce yield of the crop because of the weeds. Prevention is cumbersome process, whereas eradication and control are easier methods because they are performing once the weeds have established in the field, whereas prevention takes it's long time, it's a long term process. What is weed prevention? What are the strategies? I already mentioned prevention means you are not allowing Naya weeds to enter into the area. One is usage of pure certified crop seeds without any adulterations. Cleaning of farm machineries. Planting or weed following weed quarantine laws. Cleaning irrigation channels so that new weeds cannot be entered through the water. Using clean FIM or well decomposed FIM or sewage or compost. Uninfested sand and soil transport across fields. Weed control in nurseries at the nursery stage itself. Cleaning farm barns, roadside fences and other crop areas. These are all important core aspects of prevention of Naya entry of weeds into your field. Methods of weed control includes manual and mechanical methods, cultural methods, biological methods, and chemical methods. In mechanical methods, these are the different approaches like soil solarization, mulching, flaming, burning, and using of electromagnetic radiation. In cultural methods, you are making the crop stronger than the weed by using competitive cultivars, practicing stale seedbed technique, timely application of fertilizers and irrigation, following crop rotation to break weed life cycles, summer fallowing, and incorporation of residues. Biological methods include uses of organisms to kill or to destroy weeds like deleterious bacteria, snails, and fishes which eat the weeds. Chemical practices like usage of selective or non-selective herbicides and soil sterilants and fumigants to control weeds, and biochemical approaches like allelopathy or usage of herbicide-resistant crops. One of the famous techniques presently in vain is integrated weed management. These are the preventive measures are also essential for controlling of weeds, which I have already mentioned, like usage of certified free seeds.